For all your skincare questions, turn to the experts at Germain Dermatology.
A good sunscreen should contain at least an SPF 30 and be broad spectrum, so it protects you from the entire ultraviolet spectrum. It should be dermatologist tested, so it's non-irritating, and contain antioxidants, so it helps you against free radical damage. I prefer mineral sunscreens, the ones that contain zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, and iron oxides, the physical blockers, so much better than the ones that contain chemicals. Remember to stay out of the sun and use a good sunscreen every day. This way you'll decrease your risk of getting skin cancer and also decrease the aging effects of the sun. Things like lines and wrinkles and brown spots and broken blood vessels.
For expert advice, turn to Germain Dermatology.